In this video, I'll show you how to remove or disable the border around links on a WordPress site using Elementor. Let's get started with the process. In WordPress Dashboard, we need to navigate to the Appearance tab and click on Customize. Again, in the left panel, we will need to click on Custom CSS and JS. In the CSS section, paste the code you see on the screen. You can find the link to the CSS code in the video description. Once the CSS is added, click Publish to save the changes. Now, when we open our site in the browser and check, the border around the navigation links and other links should be gone. You can see the change have been affected and the border is successfully removed around the links, be it the navigation bar and in the main content section of the site. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Please like and comment if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content like this.